morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Good.
You staying here for the weekend too?
Oh no, I was here for the week.
Oh.
I'm leaving today. Enjoy yourself.
We just came yesterday and staying until tomorrow. We just came for the weekend.
Oh, okay.
Really enjoy it here.
It's really nice. Make sure, did you go to Placencia yet?
Yeah, we're going. We went there last night for supper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice out there.
Went to Wendy's for supper.
Oh, so you're not going to get to do any of like the adventurous stuff? Like I went to the jungle.
Probably not. It's just one day here. We got, or 2 days here that we gotta cram in a bunch of stuff.
You have to come back.
Yeah.
You have to come back. There's so much to
Canada,
do.
so it's a long way here.
Okay. I'm from New York.
New York. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're from central Canada.
Oh wow.
Saskatchewan.
So it must be really a temperature difference, huh? Yeah. Oh wow, there's so much to do. I can't even tell you all the things. I was here for a week. I came last Saturday. My family's from here, so I stayed with them half the time, and then I did like the tour stuff for like 2 days or 3 days.
And my wife has a cousin in Blue Creek, Belize.
Okay.
And that's where we came from.
Okay.
We stayed there for the week.
Oh, see, you did what I did.
So we've been here a week already, yeah.
Yeah.
But we just here.
That's exactly what I did. Yeah. Oh, so nice. I'm sad to see it go, but I'll be back.
Yeah.
Enjoy the rest of your stay. What is... Let's see. Oh, there goes Imani. Wait. Now, if you could describe your trip in one word, what would it be?
Is life-changing 2 words?
Yeah, life-changing is 2 words, my dear.
I'll just say life.
Life. I almost want to like take this off and go for a swim. Like, it's just so nice and warm. I didn't expect it to be. I thought it would be like breezy.
It was raining earlier.
It was?
It was raining like
Oh. It's so breezy. Oh. I hope they have fish. Definitely gonna have a pina colada to go. The water's cold? You said it's cold? Oh, maybe from all night. Oh. Yeah. I won't be doing that, but I don't want to shower again. I'm ready to lock and load. Time to get out of here. Check. Hot, dry banana leaves, check. Let's go have breakfast. You know I'm excited about breakfast now!
Oh my god.
Oh, what is this? I don't know.